Switching phones on SafeLink starts with ensuring your new device is Verizon compatible, as SafeLink operates on Verizon's 4G LTE and 5G networks. For SIM card transfers, power off both phones, remove the SIM from the old device, insert it into the new phone, and restart to maintain your service. For eSIM supported phones like iPhone XR or later, download the SafeLink app, scan the QR code from customer service, and activate digitally with a stable internet connection. Remember, your service is tied to the SIM, preserving your phone number and plan during the transfer. To swap devices on SafeLink, log into your account online or via the app. Select Change Device and follow the prompts to complete the swap. Swaps are free if you stay within the SafeLink program. If reactivating a deactivated line after 60 days of inactivity, use the SafeLink app or call 1-800-SafeLink. You'll need to provide proof of eligibility, like income documents. Reactivation restores your minutes and data, but may take 1 to 2 days for verification. Note that you're limited to one free phone upgrade per household per year. As of 2025, reactivation fees are waived for involuntary disconnections.